This is Jake the dog. He is a lovely 5-month-old black Labrador. And look at him. You wouldn't think anything he wouldn't think he'd do anything wrong. Butter wouldn't melt in his mouth, would it? Well, he has turned into a murderer. Let's go and see the evidence. Over the last few days, there's been suspicious attacks in the Sutherland house. They're set in teddy bears who live through here. And they've been disappearing into the garden over the last few days. Doors have been closed. And these are the 3 victims so far. They're looking in a pretty bedraggled state. But Jake the dog has also come to like this bedroom. And living in this bedroom was baby Matthew, who's nowhere to be seen. And also Aloysius the teddy bear is mysteriously missing. Let's see if we can find them. What is this? Evidence. There's been a teddy attack and 2 murdered. Poor Aloysius and Matthew. This is the scene recorded. This does not look good. Let's go back and see suspect number 1 and see what he's got to say. Look at it. He can sleep with no conscience, having murdered Aloysius and Matthew. Jake? 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 Jake, as you can see, is a psychopath. He doesn't even wake up when his master asks him to. We'll investigate this further later on.